Good people, what is going on? I hope you have a fantabulous morning, night, day, evening, regardless of the time zone you are in. I am your host, Hassam. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you for being here. Absolutely no reason, no clue why. Why not, right? I know I said this multiple times before, but it just hits me every single day just because I'm not accustomed to it. The more I push myself, the more I grow. The more pressure I apply, the better the results. Weird, but it's happening. And you're witnessing this live. The previous week of school, we were on reading week, so school laying low, no classes, no nothing. Come back this week to a ton of assignments, midterms, finals, projects, and it was just like, oh! I'm trying to find a balance, and it's pretty interesting, hectic, and a lot of pressure. Yet the more I push myself, the more I grow, let's say that. So even in terms of making this video, I'm backed up 3 classes back to back, and I'm borrowing this 20-minute break that I have to make this video and then film after. So with that being said, no, I'm not leaving you here. I'm going back to class and I'm gonna finish this in the evening. I'll check you guys in a bit.
To be at least 1. If your product is less than 1 minute, you have...
Such a long day. Started class at 8 a.m., finishing at 6, 3 back-to-back classes. OMG. Lots of work to do. I'm going to check in a bit. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed our presentation on behalf of the group. Thank you for your time, you guys.
Decides to use that particular plate and smash it.
Up 3 classes today. It was a lot of headache, a lot of work. Last week we had the whole week off. It was reading week. Obviously I didn't do jack. This week I've slapped around with assignments, papers, midterms, finals, projects. Oh my, we're gonna make it though. We're gonna make it. This is what I signed up for. So I wanted to check in honestly with you guys and see how it's going. These videos are meant to be like I'm documenting my journey. And I'm loving the process and the journey, and this video comparing to maybe 4 or 5 videos before, the confidence and communication skills have been improving like crazy. When I'm editing videos, I'm smiling watching myself, as opposed to in the past, it was cringy just watching my own stuff, just because I felt like, yo, this is not me. I'm looking at somebody else. But these ones, I like it. The communication skills, the confidence. It's pretty dope. So it's cool to document my journey, share it with you guys, and have you guys the day one in the building. Feels amazing. Yeah. By the way, what do you think of these lights, man? When I saw these lights, I'm like, I have to film here. Oh, and by the way, tomorrow is our first class in person for film school. I am beyond excited, going bananas over here. It's like we've been in class with a whole bunch of classmates and whatnot for roughly 6 months now, and it's all been on Zoom. Like, we barely know each other, so everybody's like hella excited to show up tomorrow, finally meet somebody instead of like Zoom calls. Hi, how you doing? It's weird. I'm excited for it. Anywho, wait for that. I can't wait for that video to come out. I'm sure you can. So do consider subscribing to the channel. Until tomorrow, peace and love. Take care. Have a fantabulous evening. See you.